How to fix Dragon Ball Sparking Zero error code 2E795EC5. I'm going to tell you how to fix the 2E795EC5 error in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. This is a communication error. So first, check your internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible or ensure your Wi-Fi is stable. Next, update your network drivers. Outdated drivers can cause connection issues. If the error persists, try deleting the engine and config files, but back up your save data first. Some players found temporary fixes by starting a new game or using a different Steam account. If nothing works, contact Bandai Namco support for further assistance.